Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and boom, money just sitting there in your account. No morning rush, no clocking in, no boss breathing down your neck. Just pure, effortless income flowing in while you were sleeping. Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinCrafts, the channel where we turn small digital ideas into big financial freedom. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 smart, realistic ways to start earning passive income, even if you're starting completely from scratch. First, upselling digital products. And trust me, you don't need to be a design wizard to pull this off. There are free websites that make this easy. Gumroad, Payup, and Etsy. These platforms let you upload and sell digital files like planners, checklist templates, habit trackers, digital wall art, you name it. The beauty of this method, you create the product once, and it sells over and over again without you lifting another finger. Let's say you design a meal planning kit. You can sell that same kit to hundreds, even thousands of people, all while you sleep. Here's a bonus tip: bundle your items. If you have a to-do list template, a calendar, and a budget sheet, combine them into a productivity pack. Bundling not only adds value, but it increases your average sale per customer. Passive income level unlocked: sell once, earn forever. Second on our list, YouTube automation. Now don't click away, you don't need to show your face. You don't even need a microphone. With tools like ChatGPT for writing and Pictory for editing, you can build a full YouTube channel from scratch using artificial intelligence. You create short videos about fun facts, motivational quotes, or money tips, and the AI handles the editing, the voiceover, and even the captions. The magic comes in when your videos start getting views, and YouTube starts paying you. That's ad revenue flowing in every single day. Here's the power tip: go for evergreen topics. Videos like how to save money, top study hacks, or motivational quotes that changed my life stay relevant for years. That means your one-time effort can keep earning for months or even years to come. Coming in at number 3, affiliate marketing. This is where you get paid to recommend products you love. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and PartnerStack give you a special link to promote. When someone buys using your link, you get a commission. You can promote through blogs, YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, wherever your audience hangs out. For example, if you post a video called Top 5 Gadgets for your home office, you can add your affiliate links in the description. Every time someone buys from that list, you earn a little cash, and it adds up fast. The secret sauce: focus on helpful, review-style content that ranks in Google's search or YouTube search. That way, people keep discovering your content long after you've posted. Next up, number 4, selling stock content. If you're a photographer, musician, or video editor, this one's for you. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Envato Elements let you upload your original work. Every time someone downloads your photo, date, or video clip, you get paid. So let's say you upload a relaxing background track. A content creator buys it for their video intro. Boom, you just made money while eating lunch, or while sleeping, or while playing Minecraft. Want to boost your downloads? Here's your tip: focus on what's trending. Upload holiday-themed content, AI-related clips, or fitness visuals. Popular topics rise to the top and get way more attention, which means more money for you. Last but not least, number 5, create and sell your own online course. You might think, I'm not a teacher, but if you've ever solved a problem, you already have something worth sharing. Whether it's gaming tips, cooking tutorials, makeup hacks, or organization strategies, someone out there is searching for your knowledge. Platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy let you build simple courses and upload them just once. After that, every student who enrolls puts money in your pocket, hands-free. Want to get more people in the door? Try offering a free mini course to build trust. Then invite those students to purchase your full course. Teach once, and always. That's passive income in its purest form. So there you have it: 5 simple, powerful ways to make money in your sleep. You can sell digital downloads, automate a YouTube channel, earn with affiliate links, upload stock content, or teach what you know. This year, 2025, can be the year you stop working harder and start working smarter. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up It helps more people discover coin crafts and start their own passive income journey. Tell us in the comments which method you're most excited to try, and hey, if you want more ideas like these, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Now go craft some coins, and I'll see you in the next video.